Today I'll be showing you how the cowl neck top from my previous video can be adjusted for different sizes and necklines. This is my adjustable mannequin from Singer. I'll first adjust it to my client size and then measure to make sure it's correct. If you don't have a mannequin, you can pin it on a singlet on yourself, but do be careful. You'll want to cut out a square between 75 and 100 centimeters. For size 16, which is a US 12, I used 95 centimeters. Fold the square in half so it creates a bias diagonally. Use pins to anchor 25 centimeters from the center line on both sides of the top. I add some extra pins to keep the fabric in place. Now add 2 points on the mannequin where you want the draping to start. This could be even on both sides or asymmetrical. Next up, simply place the anchors onto the mannequin. Here is where you can play with the neckline and see how high or low you want it to go. By bringing the anchors closer together, you'll create a straighter neckline. By shifting the anchors up, you'll create a higher sitting top. And by placing the anchors further apart, you'll create a deeper neckline. This is what a straighter neckline will look like. This one is very common in a lot of dresses and tops. Now this is what a low-cut V would look like. This style would definitely require double-sided tape for you to wear. Today I'll be going with something in the middle. Once you've decided on the design, you want to pin the side seams down. Make sure the side seam is sitting smoothly and there's no tension in the fabric. And just like the previous video, I'll be bringing the excess fabric down in pleats. In this case, there was enough fabric to add 2 pleats on each side, which created a nice detail. When that's done, we want to cut and sew the sides and waist seam. To take it off, I would take the pins out of the mannequin and pin the fabric to itself. For the side seam, I'll be drawing a straight line from the top to the side. Be sure to leave 1 centimeter for seam allowance. Then baste the pleats together with the larger stitch. After trimming off the excess, I will turn this inside out. Here you can pin and sew the side seams together. And for anyone wondering, I use entomology pins which I haven't had an issue with sewing over the machine. When that's all done, you can simply bag it out again. This is placing the top on a skirt I prepared earlier. I can do another tutorial in the future on how I make this wrap skirt. Here is the finished dress. Thank you for watching, and I hope this clarifies some things from the first video.